Hello everyone and a very good evening. So before I start this session, first let me know if I'm perfectly visible and audible to everyone out there or not. Yes. Hi Aditi, we have Anjali, we have Ayush Biswas, Ritvik Bansal, Tamil Mani Gurusami, yes. Aditya is here. Alright. Yes. Lakshmi Jangir, Ashutosh Kumar, Mohammad Anzar Khan. Alright. Yes. Sai Sriram VR, Article Amrendra, Ashutosh Kumar, Divya S, Akriti. Lakshmi, I am doing good. Thanks for asking. Manivanan, Shreya Thakur. Yes, I can see lots of thumbs up. Yes. Sukrita, Aditya, Pritam Roy, Ananshya, Sanket. Alright, so there is no glitch at all, so we can continue. My name is Khushbu and a very warm welcome to yet another wonderful session. So you all know what today's session is all about, right? You know what we are going to cover today. Yes, today we are going to have a practice session on quadrilaterals, right? So before we start off with the live quiz, let's first quickly recall what all concepts we have covered till now. Yes, are you all ready? Yeah? Yes, Ashika, Mani, Papiya Das, Sanya, Shreya Thakur. Yes, Menti Quiz, excited? Yeah? Well, I'm excited too. Sugandha Pathak. Alright. So let's quickly recall first what all concepts we have covered till now. So before we start with the live quiz, so we have covered the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, right? What it states, it says that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, right? Also, we have covered the properties of quadrilateral as well. We know that a parallelogram is a simple quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides, right? Also, we have learned that the diagonals of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles, right? So these are the topics that we have covered till now. Before we start off with the questions, you know that how to join the live quiz, right? So all you have to do is go to menti.com and it will ask for a code and you can use this code 78735989, right? See, if you're using only one device, so on one device you can basically you can join the quiz and you can use the option of split screen, so you can watch the session as well, because I'll be explaining the questions that you will be attempting. And if you have two devices, that would be great. On one device you can join the quiz, on the another one you can watch the session. Yes, quickly go to menti.com and use this code, and once you have joined, you can write in the comment section that you have joined the quiz. Yes, we have Chota Bheem. Yes, we have Ayush has joined. Alright. Suresh Tagore. Arush Kumar has joined. Jayveer. Ayush Biswas. Quickly, I'm waiting. Anjali. Anshuman Pathak. Avneet Kaur. Karan Rathore, Ruhi Gupta, no study session on Menti. Ruhi, whatever concepts we have done till now, we have already covered the concepts on quadrilaterals. So today we are going to have a practice session only. So if you want to learn the concepts, you can watch the concept capsules that we have covered till now on quadrilaterals. Mohammed, you are not able to join. Why? Go to menti.com and this is the code that you have to use. The code is mentioned here, 78735989. Jantika has joined. Chetan Kumar has joined. Manivanan, Ayush, what are you actually find confusing? What is confusing here? Chetan Kumar has joined. Ayush Dubey has joined. Topic is quadrilaterals. Mohammad Anzar Khan, Akriti, Neha is here. What is confusing, Ayush? Yes, Lakshmi, you can join Menti, definitely, yeah. Aditya has joined. Jayveer, Nidhi. Yes. Honey Soni, Ananshya, yeah. All right. Quickly, Nibha Chaudhary has joined. Which two different sessions, Ayush? You have to join the live quiz, right? And if you want to see, because I'll be explaining the questions, you can if you have two devices, you can watch the session on one device and join the quiz from the other one. If you have only one device, you can split the screen in that case. Yes, Jiva, go to menti.com. It will ask you for a code. And you can put this code over here, which is written on the screen, 78735989. Ritvik Bansal, yes. You are watching both the sessions together simultaneously. All right. Nibha, basically we will be doing a live quiz today, and after the quiz, like whatever questions we are doing, I'll be giving you the solutions also. I'll be explaining you. Yes, and I can see here, let's see how many people have joined. All right, so a lot of people have joined, I can see. Jiva, you are having a trouble joining Menti. Go to that site, go to menti.com. You have to put this code which is here on the top of the screen. Shreya, wow, amazing. Yes. So a lot of people have joined. Let's start the quiz. So in this quiz, we are going to have 12 questions. So here is the first one. The sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 4 angles are mentioned here. You have to choose the right option. All interior angles of a quadrilateral. Very simple one, isn't it? Anshya, Ruhi, Mohammad Ansar Khan, quickly. That's a very simple one. Papia Das has given the answer. Wow, Papia, you're too fast. Yes. Amrendra, Ritvik, Ruhi, Sugandha Pathak, Atikal, Ayush Dubey. All right. And we can see that maximum students have given the right answer. But some are saying it's A. Correct answer is B. Yes, easy one, Akriti, right? All right. Let's take a look at the solution now. Wow, Mukesh, 1.062 seconds. Ritvik, 0.8 seconds. Lakshmi, 4 seconds. Not bad. Refresh it one more time, Sanya. Yes, so here we can see that angle sum property. You can see at the top a quadrilateral is formed ABCD, right? With this orange, dark orange color and dark green color. Then these are nothing but these are two triangles, right? And angle sum of triangle says that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So since there are two triangles, one has a sum of 180, another one also has a sum of 180. We add up to get 360 degree. Yes. Yes, Manjeet. Yes, Ritvik. No second, just click. You did not even take time to think. Wow. Manivanan, you got the right answer. Akriti, 0.6 seconds. Wow. Mohammad Ansar Khan, easy one. All right. Thank you, Vaishnavi. All right, let's take a look at the next question now. So here we have question number 2. I can see that some people are having trouble joining Menti. Please refresh your screen once. So we have another question. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 50 degree and 80 degree, and other two angles are in the ratio 8:15. The remaining two angles are. Quickly answer this. Two angles you already have. For the other two angles, we have the ratio. So you have to find out the measure of the other two angles. Yes. Purva has given the answer. Lakshmi Jangada has given the answer. Wow. Mukesh, so super easy. Yeah. Harshvardhan Sharma, Anantya, yes. All right. So 0.0909 seconds. Wow. So time is up and correct answer is C. Some are saying it's A, B, or some are saying D also. Now let's check the answer. So this is the quadrilateral that we have. Two angles were given. You can mark any two angles as 80 degree and 50 degree. And other two angles were in the ratio 8x and 15x. So sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Let's substitute all the values. You get 23x equals to 230. So x would be equals to 10 degree. I need the value of those angles. So 8x would be 80 degree and 15x would be 15 times 10. That's 150 degrees, right? These are the measure of the two angles. Thank you, Suresh Tagore. Thank you. Yes. Refresh screen once. Purva Deshmukh, leaderboard. Definitely, I'll show you the leaderboard. Don't worry. It's okay, Mukesh. So if whatever questions you have missed, that's fine. All right. Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at question number 3 now. The diagonals of a parallelogram. 4 options are here, are equal, are unequal, bisect each other and are perpendicular. Yes. Kanika, just because of Byjus, I'm able to improve in maths. Wow. Thank you. Yes. So we know the properties of a parallelogram, right? We have covered this in the concept capsules also. And just now, when we were doing a quick recall, that time also we covered it, right? Yes, Manjeet Kaur. Answers have started coming up. Yes. Yes, Menti has already started. And we are on question number 3 now. Time is up. Let's check the answers. Maximum students are saying it's option C. Some are saying it's A, B or D also. Mukesh saw 12 seconds to answer this. Not bad. Yes, Shreya, correct. Answer is C. Purva Deshmukh, you are saying it's D. D is not the answer. Lakshmi Jangid, A. No, A is not the answer. C is the right answer for this. Ruhi Gupta, don't know. See, if you are not if you're not thorough with the properties of the quadrilaterals, watch the concept capsule one more time. Whatever properties we have covered, write them somewhere, right? Write them down and then go through it one more time, right? So that it gets firmly rooted in your minds, because this chapter is based upon properties only. Manivanan, you got it right. Great. Muhammad Ansar Khan, misclick. Oh. Okay, let's take a look at the solutions. This is the quadrilateral that we have. We have these two triangles, triangle COD and triangle AOB, right? Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So CD and AB would be equal. Angle OAB and angle OCD, you can see they are equal because they're alternate angles. It's a parallelogram, right? So angle OB and angle ODC will also be equal. Alternate angles again. Triangles would be congruent. So by angle side angle properties. So since triangles are congruent, their corresponding paths would be equal. So OD and OB would be equal. OC and OA would be equal by CPCT. So we can say that diagonals of a parallelogram actually bisect each other. Yes, Jiva Darshini S, you got it right. Wow. That's okay, Manjeet. Whatever questions you have missed, now you can join. It's fine. Yes. Chota Bheem, 40 on 40 in Maths PT3. Wow. Amazing. Nibha Chaudhary, ma'am, you are the best teacher I have ever seen. Thank you for such kind words. That's okay, Sahil. That's okay. All right. Let's take a look at question number 4 now. Perimeter of a parallelogram is 22 centimeter. If the longer side measures 6.5 centimeter, then the measure of shorter side is 4 measurements are given for the shorter side. You have to look for the right one. Manjeet, first refresh your screen once. Go to menti.com. It will ask you for a code. You have to use this code which is written at the top here. 78735989. All right, Jantika. I can see answers have started coming up. Ritvik Bansal, Lakshmi Jangir, Sahil. Wow, Ankush Kumar. 1 second to answer the question. Amazing. Good pace, I must say. Thank you, Romana Akhtar. All right, so maximum students are saying it's A. Some are saying B, C and D. Still again, we have mixed answers. Let's take a look at the solution. Yes. So perimeter of a parallelogram, it's nothing that would be twice of length plus breadth, right? Because rectangle is also a parallelogram. So definitely the perimeter is going to be same. Perimeter is given, that's 22. That will be equal to twice of 6.5 plus x, because we don't know what the breadth is. That would be 6.5 plus x equals to 11. So x will be 11 minus 6.5. X is 4.5 centimeter. That's the answer. Took too much time to answer, Mukesh. So why? This was a very simple one. Yes. All right. Now it's time for leaderboard that you have been asking for quite some time. Okay. Yes, Purva. Yes, I'm showing you that only. All right. So we can see Guru Raj S is at the top. Then Saransh Kumar, Ritvik Bansal, Hula Hop, Ashima Kalra, Vote Goat, Kevin, Nibha, Rishita, Parantak Singh. And even margins are, gaps are very less. Wow. Amazing. Amazing, guys. All right. All right. All right, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the question number 5 now. 22nd place, Papiya Das. Not bad, that's okay. So here we have question number 5. Two parallelograms are on equal bases and between the same parallels, the ratio of their areas is. You have to look for the right ratio. Sahil, ma'am, I love your teaching technique and teaching style. Thank you, Sahil. Manjeet Kaur, you were asking for the code. It's 7873-5989. It's written at the top here. Yes. Sushil Maurya, 727th place. Again, answers have started coming up for this question. But again, I can see some are saying it's B, some are saying it's D. Still, you guys have confusion in this. That's okay, article. It's fine. Sahil, 8.999 seconds. Not bad. Time is up. Okay. So option D is the right answer. But still, some students are saying it's A, B, and some are saying it's C also. But maximum students have given the correct answer. Let's check the solution. So here parallelograms are on the same base between the same parallels, right? So we know that area of parallelogram is nothing but that's base times height. You can see this height over here, right? This perpendicular distance that is denoted by h. So area of ABCD and area of ABEF is going to be equal, right? Because we have learned that two parallelograms on the same base between the same parallels are equal in area. This is the property that we are using here. So since their area is equal, that would be equal to AB times h because areas are equal. So required ratio in that case would be 1:1, right? Yes. Kanika Thakur, correct answer. Right? Mukesh Saw, I think you gave the wrong answer this time. Mani Vanan, you got it right. Wow. Astha Singh, correct answer. Shreya Thakur, 56th place. That's okay. Nibha Chaudhary, 3.3 seconds. Answer is also correct. Wow. Suresh Tagore, misclicked. No worries. It's okay. Ma'am. Okay, your name is Rishita Saw. All right. Okay. Now let's take a look at the next one. Yes, Chota Bhim, this property is from area of parallelogram chapter. Yes. Because in exam also you might come across questions where properties are, one property is used in another one. So a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels, then the ratio of area of triangle to that of parallelogram is. 4 options you have here. Article, you knew the right answer but misclicked. It's okay. See, as far as you know what the correct answer is, it's fine. It happens sometimes, right? Circle chapter kab aayega? I'll tell you. Yes. Purva has given the answer. Ganesh Kumar, Ritvik Bansal, My Gaming TV. And again, I can see some are saying B, some are saying C. See, when I see mixed answers, I feel that you guys are not thorough with the properties. Alright, so some are saying it's option C, some are saying it's D. Some are saying B or 1 also. Mixed answers we have here, right? Let's take a look at the solution. Wow, Ankush Kumar. Just 1 second to answer the question. So triangle and parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels. So we know that area of triangle is basically in that case half the area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram ABCD would be what? AB times H. AB is the base, height is H. Area of triangle AB is half times base times height. That's half times AB times H, right? So we have to find out their ratio. We put them in ratio. AB and AB would cancel out, H and H would cancel out, and we have 1/2. That's the final answer. Yes, Rishi Valmiki. Manivanan, correct answer. Wow. Astha Singh, correct. 1:2. See, properties can be used. In quadrilaterals also we can use these properties. Purva Deshmukh, yes. Wait, I'll show you the leaderboard. Yes. Okay, so this is the right answer. Now let's take a look at the next question. So we have question number 7 now. In a parallelogram, the sum of two consecutive angles is 4 angles you have here. Yes. Make a figure and you have to find out the sum of consecutive angles. Yes, Dev Goel. Wait for another few minutes. I'll show you the leaderboard. Sai Sriram VR, correct one. Yes. Nibha Chaudhary, 1.7 seconds. Wow. And again you got the correct answer. Amazing. Okay, I can see the answers now, but some are saying it's B, some are saying C. Article 0.897 seconds. Wow. Dhairya Bhani has also given the answer. Purva Deshmukh, Chandrakala. Yes. Alright. Time is up. Let's check the correct answer. So C is the right answer and maximum students have given the right answer this time. But still some are saying it's A, B and some are saying D also. Let's check the solution and see where you got wrong. This is the parallelogram ABCD and AB would be parallel to CD in that case and AD and BC over here are transversals, right? So we know that when parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, they are cut by a transversal, then co-interior angles are formed. So angle DAB plus angle ADC, their sum would be 180 degree, right? Because these are the angles formed on the same side of the transversal, so their sum is 180 degree. Similarly, angle DCB plus angle ABC is 180 degree. So what we see here is that sum of consecutive angles, right? Consecutive angles means the one that comes one after the other. In a parallelogram is 180 degrees. Sugandha Pathak, correct answer. Wow. Purva Deshmukh. Okay, your name is Anshita. Correct answer. Great. Yes. Jiva Darshini, correct one. Shreya Thakur, 180 degree. Yes, because they are co-interior angles. Yes. Manivanan, consecutive means consecutive that comes one after the other, like 1 and 2. These are consecutive numbers. 4 and 5. These are consecutive numbers. Similarly, here angle D and angle A, they are consecutive, right? Then angle A and angle B, they are consecutive angles like this. I hope your doubt is clear, right? All right. Now let's take a look at the next one, question number 8. Jayaveer, easy peasy, yeah? Okay, let's take a look at this question. If an angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angle, then the smallest angle of the parallelogram is. Make a parallelogram, whatever information is given, according to that you can mark the angles. I'm just giving you a hint. Then you can find out the smallest angle. Though I know that all of you know how to do it, I was just telling you how you can simply solve this. Yes, adjacent one, right. Properties can be used, Chota Bheem. Yes. Bipul Pandit has given the answer. Roshan Gowda, yes. Kanika Thakur, right. Nibha Chaudhary. Jayaveer. Manjeet Kaur, now you have joined, yeah? Great. So if an angle of a parallelogram, yes, according to this, okay, maximum students are saying it's B, that's the B, but that's not the right answer. Correct answer is D. And some are saying it's A, some are saying it's C, but maximum students are saying it's B, which is not the right answer. Now let's check the solution. So all of you, I think, have a confusion. Most of the students have confusion in this concept. See, let's suppose that the adjacent angle is X, so smallest one is 2/3 of it. That would be 2/3 of X, right? You can solve along with me. So sum of adjacent angles, we just learned that co-interior angles are formed. The adjacent one, their sum would be 180 degrees. So X plus 2/3X would be equals to 180 degrees. Yes. Yes, Sugandha Patak, yes, I'm explaining the solution. So this, on simplifying this, we get 5 by 3x, that's equals to 180 degrees. So x would be equals to 108. We need the measure of smallest angle, that is 2 by 3x. That's going to be 2 by 3 into 108, which is 72 degrees. Mukesh saw adjacent one. Like, let's suppose you have a parallelogram ABCD. So A and B, the neighboring ones, they are adjacent. And A and D also are adjacent, right? Yes. Dhairya Bhani, adjacent angles like we did the co-interior angles, right? Same one. Yes. So 72 degrees is the right answer for this. Alright, let's move ahead. Now it's time to show you the leaderboard. Yes, Sahil, Dev Goyal, yes. Yes. Okay, so Guru Raj S, Priyanshu Ranjan, Saransh Kumar, DJ Bipul, Chugega Nahi, High Five Ma'am, Chota Bheem, Nibha A, Parantak Singh, Tasin, Quadrilaterals. And I can see in the beginning also there were very little margins, and after that in the last and the second last one there are a big gap, right? Wow, amazing. Yes, Dev Goyal 15th place, Mohammad Anzar Khan 21, Sugandha Patak 23rd place, Nibha Chaudhary 6th place. Wow, amazing. Yes, Jayantika same 19th place, that's okay. Vipul Pandit 4th place. Yes, 6th place. Dhairya Bhani 34th. Ruhi Gupta, wow, came from 40th to 23rd. Great. Papiya Das 10th place this time. Wow. Alright. Dhairya Bhani is from 70 to 34. Amazing. Alright, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. So we have question number 9 now. Alright, so it says in a parallelogram ABCD, if angle A is equals to 2x plus 15 degree, angle B is 3x minus 25 degree, then the value of x is. Make a parallelogram, mark these angles and find out the value of x. A very simple one. Shreya Thakur, wow. Nice improvement from 56 to 27. Renault Maverick, 45 to 25. Wow. Dev Goyal, 13 to 15. That's okay. That's a very little margin. It happens sometimes. That's fine. Yes. Vipul Pandit has given the answer. Ritik Bansal. Mani Manan. Misclicked, yeah. Yes. It's a very simple question. Just use the property and you can just, it's normal simple calculation. Rumana Akhtar, 81th place. Okay. So time is up. Let's check the right answer. Oh my God. Some students are saying it's C, some are saying it's D. And they're almost equal. They're almost equal, though it was a very simple question. Some are saying it's A and some are saying it's B. I don't know. Question was very simple. Sif property you had to use here and simple calculation. Let's check the solution. This is the parallelogram, right? And we know that sum of adjacent angles is 180 degrees, right? So angle A plus angle B would be 180 degrees. Let's put the values of angle A and angle B over here. That's 2x plus 15 plus 3x minus 25. That's equals to 180 degree, which is 5x, right? Take the constants on the other side. We have 190. So x is 38 degrees. That's the value. Yes, Sahil, 38 degree answer is iska. Suresh Tagore, you got correct. Ritvik Bansal. Yes, A plus B would be 180 degree. Right. Irham. ओके अब 2 बार रॉन्ग हो गया तो चक्कर आ रहे हैं. इट्स ओके, कोई बात नहीं. यस मुकेश सॉ सी practice as much as you can. Definitely your speed will improve. Yes. Article, Byjus help me to root all the concepts in my brain. Thank you. Suresh Tagore, maths are so difficult, but you make easier bit by bit. Thank you, thank you. Yes, all right. Let's take a look at the next question now. So we have question number 10 here. Yes. The diagonals AC and BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersect each other at the point O. If angle DAC is 32 degrees and angle AOB is 70 degrees, then angle DBC is equal to. See, I would suggest you make a diagram first and then solve it. Otherwise, you will end up making mistake. Shreya got confused between 34 and 38. That's okay. That's okay. Yes. Answers have started coming up. You are saying A, some are saying it's B. Mixed answers again. Yes. Sugandha Pathak has given the answer. Vaishnavi Singh, Ananshya Nimje, yes. Jayaveer, easy one, yeah. Papiya Das has given the answer. Oh my God. Correct answer is D. A very few students are saying that D is the answer. Maximum students are saying it's B and some are saying it's A, and very little margin is there between A and B. Some are saying C also, but correct answer is D over here. Yes, Ruhi, you accidentally touched another option. Okay, let's check the solution and see where you got wrong. So this is the parallelogram that we have. These are the diagonals AC and BD. Now angle DAC is given, that's 32 degree, angle AOB is 70 degree. So angle AOB plus angle AOD, that would be 180 degree, linear pair is formed here. Yes. So angle AOD would be what? That's 110 degrees. Now in this triangle AOD, if you see, sum of all the angles, that would be equals to 180 degrees, right? So angle ODA is 38 degrees. Put the values here. That would be 38 degrees. So angle BDA and angle DBC, they both are equal. They are 38 degrees. Yes. Yes, Anshita. It's okay even if you got this wrong. Just check what your mistake is, right? And try not to repeat those mistakes again. Alright, let's take a look at the next one. We have question number 11 now. If the opposite angles of a parallelogram are 3x minus 2 degrees and 50 minus x degrees, then the measure of these angles are. Yes, we are on the next question. So opposite angles are given this time. You have to find out the measure of these angles. Yes. Right. Quickly, it's a very simple one. Kriti Kamal Sangha has given the answer. Yeah. Sugandha Pathak. 9C11 Ekwe Birshad. Code is written at the top. That's 78735989. Yes. Jayaveer is done. Right. Alright, time is up. Now let's take a look at the solution. So the correct answer over here is D, but maximum students are saying it's C. Some are saying it's A and B also. But D is the correct answer. See, when these kind of questions are very simple, but when it comes to calculation, I can see that mostly students give the wrong answer, right? Maybe you are not that good with the calculations, right? So practice a lot. Priyanshi Agarwal, done? Yeah? Let's check the solution. Opposite angles are equal, right? So 3x minus 2 and 50 minus x, these were the opposite angles, they would be equal. All you have to do is take constants on one side and variables on one side. So we have 4x equals to 52. So x is 13 over here. Now we need the value of these angles. So put the value of x in both of them, 3x minus 2 and 50 minus x, you get 37 degrees for both of them because they were equal. Yes. Sugandha Pathak, I have shown you the solution. Angles were equal. So equate them. From here you get the value of x on calculating. Yes, that's what I'm saying, Kanika Thakur. Calculation, I think that's the biggest challenge for you guys. Alright. Okay, let's take a look at the next question now. Question number 12. If the angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 4:5:10:11, then the angles are. Dev Goyal, nice questions are on always on Byjus. Thank you. Yes. Quadrilateral angles ratio is given. You have to find out their angle measure. Again, using the property and just calculating it. I hope this time you won't make any calculation error. Yes, Ritvik Bansal, Vatsala Bhatt. Yes, Kriti Kamal Singha. Right. They've already given the answers. Sahil has given the answer. Archie Sharma. Right. Time is up. Okay, let's check the answer. So maximum students have said it's B, which is actually the right answer, but we still have answers like A, C and D. Some are saying it's A, C or D. Let's check the solution and check where you got wrong actually. Check your mistake also. So we'll be using the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 4x plus 5x plus 10x plus 11x because ratio was given. So 30x would be 360 degree, x would be 12 degrees. Now we'll put these values in 4x and 5x. We get 48 degree and 60 degree. Similarly 10x and 11x would be 120 degree and 132 degree. These are the 4 angle measures here. Yes, so this is the answer. Right, now it's time for the leaderboard. Yes, Dev, Goel, I'm showing you the leaderboard only. Yep. Nibha Chaudhary, misclick. Wow, Guru Raj S. Amazing. Awesome, seriously. Then we have Priyanshu Ranjan, Chota Bheem, Anshuja. Yes. Wow. Good work. Anshuman Pathak, 20th rank. Now you have understood Kanika Thakur, right? Shreya Thakur, you got the right answer but misclicked. Suresh Tagore, thank you for such kind words. Byjus is one who can improve everyone. Papiya Das, 24th place. Not bad. Alright, so this was the last question of today's Menti Quiz. But this is not the end because we have got many more sessions lined up for you from every Monday to Friday to make you exam ready. So let me show you the upcoming session that we have. So the next session would be on explore everything about circles. I think somebody was asking about circles in today's session, that when we are going to have a session on this. So session would be on February 1st, that is Tuesday at 5 p.m. And you know that we have got free trial classes also, and the link for that is given in the description box. So this session finally comes to an end.